There's something about Ma Sot, it just kind of grabs your heart, and it's the Burmese people too, I mean, and the Thais here are terrific. So we have a really neat thing going. It's just kind of my second home, and I love it. This evening we're having our fundraiser for our school.
Stand like, I don't know, it would be okay, yeah? Like this, to cover the thing under.
I got my Tanaka on, I'm all ready to go, looking very beautiful.
My favorite food for today is carrot slab.
You like that?
Yeah, I like it.
What about the soup?
Soup?
Like mohinga soup?
Yeah, and I like, but not my favorite. I like coffee. I have to make watermelon juice.
Yes, I am very happy because our school has learned, and then we will have to support our school by doing this.
What kind of dance will you do today?
What kind of dance? Live Hollywood and like hip hop dance and hip hop dance.
We'll do a hip hop dance. And
Yes, and then some also will do juggling.
And you guys will do the open Gangnam style dance? You know the song like Oppa Gangnam style? Oh,
Yes,
oh.
I do. I know.
You like the song?
We all know. Yes, we like.
Will you do the dance for me right
No,
now?
I got it from my daddy.
Oh, I got it from my dad.
Yes.
Ooh, I like
You like everything.
I like very much. What is this? Bean. I just got a little sample of what's to come in the kitchen. And for our fundraiser, we got this fried up thing. I'm supposed to dip this. Okay, here we go. That's amazing. It's a kind of squash. You dip it in that.
What do you mean?
I'm just having this nice squash.
Can I bite?
Yeah. A bite. Oh wait, there we go. Oh, it's hot. It's hot. Sorry, it's a bit hot.
That's really good.
It's just like a fried squash, yeah.
It's delicious.
Oh, the watermelon juice is very sweet here. Much sugar, like soda, like candy. Oh, no sweet, no. Watermelon's sweet enough.
Tina, you make me crazy.
Mushroom, noodle, chicken, bean. What else?
And meatball. That's it.
Ooh, aroy. Better than mohinga. Will you do the mohinga dance?
Mohinga. You can interview another.
We practice for 1 week. Then we will perform for today.
That's great. Good job. I am here in the circus, playing with the kids and showing them a good time here in the northern part of Thailand, right next to Myanmar, the border city. And you can do that too with the circus group here, Sparks. Sparks is a group that's been around for 15 years.
everybody, it's Charlie
and Kate,
and we wanted to say thank you
to our patrons already for our
Dream for Green School!
So we're looking to get clean water
Transportation
and an additional teacher to Green School, and so far we've got 6 patrons and we need 44 more. So thank you so much, and let's go.
Our school is a boarding school, so they all live for the whole year, or some of them even 2 years. And they mostly come from Nela Camp and Kikiam Camp, that are the biggest refugee camps. But we have also from Karenni Camp, and the rest of students come from the migrant schools around Ma Sot. Students are amazing, just beautiful people, and there is something in them that make you stay. You know, I don't know if it's the smile, the humbleness, the eagerness to learn.
These particular students are very receptive to the circus skills and the knowledge that we get to share. So it's really exciting working with a group of students that want to learn and they want to engage and they want to also teach others the skills that they've learned.
I am going to show you guys what people eat for breakfast around here, and it's going to be a really nice day today. Thai food is actually my favorite. That is the truth. She's been cooking Thai food for a very long time, before I was born. A very nice breakfast of champions. This is green curry with rice with red beans. I just love the complexity of green curry. I love red curry too, but green curry is better. And it's more spicy actually. This one's really coconutty too. If you don't like spicy, I don't know what to tell you. Yellow curry, it's kind of got more turmeric and more similar to Indian curry, but it's not the same. Yellow curry is the least spicy though out of the curries. That was an amazing meal. Let's go into town more and see what else we can find this morning.
The road ahead, it twists and turns, and the sun it beats down and it burns, but I keep on pushing through, and every step quicker than the last. My feet tread down this beaten path, and I keep on pushing through. 'Cause I get up, and I may fall right back down, but your love lifts me back to solid ground. Yeah, I get up, and I may fall right back down, but your love lifts me back to solid ground. Oh, I've come too far in this to raise my flag and call it quits. So I keep on pushing through. Oh, with every step my heart it pounds. Yes, so sure I've had my doubts, but I must keep pushing through. Yeah, I get up.
this is not the actual full-on market. This is just the alleyway near the market. This is just so many vendors from all over Myanmar and Thailand coming here to sell because it's a hot spot for selling, trading, going over the border.